Poshmark's Closet Explosion, where I'm going to show you how you can make money online selling items you already have or creating a boutique with Poshmark. In this video, we're going to create your profile, personalize your profile, update your seller tools, what's in Posh Stats, and update notifications. The first thing you want to do is create a profile and add your cover and profile pictures. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the process. So click on My Profile, and then if you want to change your name or the way it appears, you do it here, and then you change your profile picture and last your cover picture. Now we're going to personalize your profile and update your sizes. Under your account, go to My Size. Here you will find all of the categories where you can have your specific size in there, so whenever you're searching, only your sizes in that item are going to come up. You can even have profiles for yourself, your kids, your man, your husband, all in one spot. Next, you're going to want to update your seller tools before you start selling. Under My Seller Tools, go to My Seller Discounts and pick your discount. Next, I'm going to show you what kind of information you can find in your Posh Stats. So you can see you have your total listings, your total followers, your available listings, your discount off original, self-shares, listings sold, days to ship, and your average rating. Now we need to adjust your notifications. Click on Notifications in your account, and you'll see that several options are going to pull up, and this is going to be based on your preferences, really. I personally didn't like my phone dinging constantly, so I just picked the ones that were important to me, but I'll run through them with you. So after a while, you're definitely going to want to turn this one off, because one of your goals is to have a lot of followers. And so you could get, essentially, if you do it right, hundreds of new followers every day. And that's a lot of dinging. Again, like and share is going to be just like your followers. You should have hundreds a day when we get off and going. So I had to turn that one off too. I have Posh Stories and comments turned on because I think it's important when people talk about you and to you. Parties are a good way to promote yourself, but they do have them every day, so it's daily dings, and I'll explain more about Posh parties in another video. So both price drops and offers to likers has to do with me buying stuff. So since I also purchase on the platform, those are things that let me know when somebody drops the price of an item I like, or if somebody sends me an offer that's lower than what they had it listed for. Really, the rest of them are more so if you're buying things on the platform. So I would just go through them and pick based on your own preference. Thank you for taking the time to watch me, and I will see you next time.